Damn, BT.
I been solo stepping on these nigga to come next to me. You know I know I slide for you, but run when shit get ugly. I gotta do this shit by myself, ain't gonna split none of this 30. But I was gonna do that shit out the real, but you act like you never heard of me. Hit him, dots can't fix him up, they said he needs some surgery. They don't have to make me tell my hitters, get him, gon' be a perjury. And I'm still clutching on this 40 piece, but only to survive. Cause I ain't worried about that nigga, about that paper, I'm gon' die. About that paper, I'm gon' slide. Ain't no trip, but she can get some paper, I'm talking about my dime. I'm pouring up a football, feel like who can guess how many lines. B, find shit back and she say I fucked up her stomach. Knew you would change, but I ain't say shit cause the blind gon' lead the blind. Them niggas still out tryna fish, I'm telling them I got the ride. So that was just 2 years ago, I'm ducking bullets in my ride. But it all gave me a reason. Now I know don't trust the soul because they all gon' end up leaving. But the child gon' get even. Like, what the fuck you calling me for? I'm killing myself to help my people. But what the fuck they did for me though? 20s, 50 in them casinos. But somehow still not happy. A lot of people say they done for me, but show me that they happy. I told them niggas I'm not just right. This shit really a part of me. Trying to flash out on these pussy niggas, that shit really be hard. I ain't no killer, but you gon' push it. Ain't no hesitation when I touch the trigger. I'm still clutching on my 40, boy, I feel like Colbert, Cheaney. I been solo stepping on these nigga come next to me. And you know and I slide for you, but run when shit get ugly. I gotta do this shit by myself, but ain't gonna split none of this 30. But I was gonna do that shit off the real, but you act like you never heard of me.